welcome back to my channel. So I'm sorry I had to cut off the earlier clip because there was something smudged on my camera lens again. But anyways, I'm going ahead and beginning with my Ghost Bond glue. So today I'm going to be installing some hair from Yolissa hair. I'm going to be installing a 20-inch frontal and four bundles, and they're already on a wig that I sewn together. And I'm wearing bundles 30, 30, 30, and a 28-inch bundle. So I'm just going ahead and doing my usual routine on applying my lace. If this is your first time here, then I'm kind of already fast forwarded because I have a lot of videos on this already. But basically, I'm just going in with some Ghost Bond lace glue, and I'm doing 3 layers of it. And I like to do my center part first and then left to right. And I'm just going to continue on doing this routine. So after I finish gluing down my hair, I like to go in little pieces, which is where I probably forgot some glue at. And I'm taking this time to just go over and push everything and make sure everything is glued down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and begin to brush out this hair. Y'all, this hair is crazy thick. This is some thick, tough hair. But it is really, really pretty, and I'm just in love with the curls. So I don't know what I was just showing y'all just now, but that was supposed to be my oil sheen. No name, nothing was showing on the paper. And I'm now going in with my hot comb, and I'm just pressing out my part. Don't mind this routine, guys, because I am going to end up taking out the side part, and end up doing like a deep side part look. So don't mind that. I'm just going to go ahead and begin with my baby hairs. So I'm going to pluck them out and thin them out, and I'm going to thin around the area, and then I just take my razor comb and I brush my baby hairs in, y'all. Like I said, I do have full dedicated videos on how I do my baby hairs and the products that I use. Alright, y'all, so this side of my baby hairs is finished. I'm going ahead and be getting the other side. I ain't gonna lie, a lot of you guys don't like baby hairs, but a lot of you guys do like baby hairs. I'm a fan of baby hairs. People be like, you should have did it without the baby hairs, and I'd be like, yeah, I could have, but I love my baby hairs. I love baby hairs. Look at those baby hairs. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just about done with my baby hairs. I literally have one more baby hair to go and I'll be finished. Y'all, so this is how it looks right now. Everything looks like, here, let me get my hair so I can see. So what I'm gonna begin to do now, I like right here, I don't know why, but I like my top part right here to be very, very flat. So I do go ham when I'm just going to stick down the top of my head real quick. So basically I'm going in like this with my wax stick, and I am taking it back and I'm using the CHAR wax stick. This was actually the first wax stick that I ever used, and now I'm taking my BTZ, turn up the heat. I'm just giving that a little mist, and I'm going to be taking my spritz. I don't know where it is though. I don't know where my spritz is, so I'm gonna take some Got To Be Free spray. Like a little hard brush, and I just like to just brush that down like that. And as well, it's right here. Just brushing that out. I had like no issues with the frontal, but the bundles were very thick. So I do recommend, before actually wearing the hair, I peeked how thick the bundles were from when I was washing it. So I think that the best thing to do would be to wash out your bundles, wash these out and condition them and let it sit in conditioner before wearing them, because the hair does have a smell if you don't wash it. And as you just see, like, it's really, really thick, but it is curly hair. So yeah, and I'm wearing, the hair looks so long and big on me, but I'm wearing 4 bundles. I'm wearing 3 bundles of 30-inch, and I also added one bundle of 28-inch, and the frontal is a 20-inch frontal. But I'm telling you, like, as y'all can see, the frontal is super, super pretty, but this hair is real thick. So I'm taking my hair mister, and I'm just going to begin to mist it so you guys can see. I don't know why, but like, I constantly change the water out of here, but it always smells like a moldy vibe, you know. But then again, I think it's just like not even moldy, it's just the sense of like tap water. It's really what I'm feeling. Guys, don't forget to like go inside your curls and open up your curls. I'm rubbing noodle head through my curls, and this is what gets your curls popping. It gets it on and popping. Gotta make sure you get the back. Alright, so now I'm gonna brush it out. People be like, oh my god, I'm cringing. You're combing your curls with a rat tooth comb. See that? My hair is always able to go through a comb, like always, because I keep it detangled, and that's why my curls last long. I don't have any more water. Let it leave like that. The long part type of look. Thank you guys for watching.